Alright, I'm taking this video because I've got a Givi box TRK52, and I'm going to put that on a KLR650 ABS 2024, and then because they're in the back of the box, and here in the on no website it says if there's a Givi bracket for this thing. I did buy a Givi bracket SR4133. I got it in Italy, got it shipped FedEx. The documentation is here, so I will just put the photos, the snapshots, but I will put this here. It comes with the bracket and everything here, right? So there you go. You can pause it if you want to see stuff. This is the other part, how it gets installed. Here goes the back here. And then the question is that it says it's for the KLR650 S 2023. All the documentation is for the S, which is the lower version. I've got the 2024 KLR650 Adventure ABS. And then, yeah. And then, there you go, tools you need. And then the thing is that there's no way to know if it works with the regular 650 AB, 2024 and all that. So that's the bracket that comes, steel bracket. And basically you will see, putting the steel bracket on here, and then you will see right here, right there, that all the bolts do line up. You remove those, and after that you can attach. So that's what it's going to be. Yeah, it does fit on the 650, regular 650, 2024. That's what I want to show, because the bracket says it's for the 650S, and I couldn't find anywhere if it's gonna fit. Yeah, it will fit. So there you go. So that's the bracket. Then there's the other here, and then just the bracket is there. So I'll install it and show that after that. But we need to remove those screws, put the steel bracket, and then install the other one on top of that. So let's I will do it and come back when it's done. Alright, right after removing these screws, the original screws right from the top, and it's a 6mm bit, hex bit, 6mm. Remove them, then you just put those things here, as per instruction, the risers, and then, yeah, after that we're just going to screw the risers. So the kit doesn't come with, lock washer, but I'm just going to put some Loctite on it, on the screws here, make sure that it's all good. Right, and the original screws were 6mm, and these are so anyway, they're 5. There you go, right there, 5. All right, that's what it looks like once installed. All right, after removing the little plastic tabs from the screws, just going to put it here, take the bracket, and install the bracket about here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, clearing the hatch, and then after that just putting the little thingies like this, inserts, little insert like that, and after that putting the screws in. Putting the screws in after that. Right? That's all it's going to be. Putting the little screws, and that's it. So let's finish the job. And these screws here, these nuts, are going to be a metric. There you go, 10mm. All right, 10mm. There you go. Let's screw that in. All right, then I just put the bracket on top of that after securing the nuts. Put the 4 little screws in every corner, and Bob's your uncle. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me put it. And this is what it looks like once the little screws are in. There you go. Everything is there. And this is what it looks like. There you go. Let's put the box on it. All right, this is what it looks like when everything is said and done. I've got a little backrest there. I got the little tool compartment access right here. And then this is what the whole thing looks like. It's pretty good. All right, so I'm satisfied with it. So that bracket for the KLR650 S is the same for KLR650 regular ABS, and that is a 2024, so fits just fine.